There's a small box under the hood of every American truck, SUV, and muscle car that almost never gets the respect it deserves. It does not make the sound of a Hemi. It does not carry the reputation of a small block Chevy. It does not sell an F-150, a Silverado, a Ram 1500, a Wrangler, a Tahoe, or a Mustang. Yet when that little part is cheap, loose, poorly sealed, or forgotten, the engine starts breathing whatever the road throws at it. Dust, sand, pollen, construction debris, road salt, fine dirt from farm roads, dry summer grit from the southwest, wet leaves from the Midwest. All of it moves toward the intake, and the only thing standing between that contamination and the inside of the engine is the air filter. That is why this list has to be different from the usual best air filter conversation. A car air filter is not a lifetime part. It is designed to be replaced. Ford says engine air filters may need replacement every 15,000 to 30,000 miles depending on model and conditions, while Chevrolet's certified service guidance puts the likely replacement range around 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Mopar gives a similar general range and says dusty, rural, off-road, or construction zone driving can shorten the interval to around 6,000 to 10,000 miles. So the phrase, "buy it for life," needs a practical meaning here. You're not buying one filter and keeping it forever. You're buying a filter brand you can trust for the life of the vehicle. A brand that fits correctly, seals correctly, remains available, and was designed around the engine instead of around the lowest possible price. For American vehicles, that list gets short very quickly. The three brands that still make the strongest long-term sense are Motorcraft, ACDelco, and Mopar. Motorcraft belongs with Ford and Lincoln vehicles. ACDelco belongs with Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick Gervais vehicles. Mopar belongs with Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Chrysler, and related Stellantis vehicles. These are not the flashiest names in the aisle. They do not promise miracle horsepower. They do not ask you to oil the filter, wash it in the sink, or believe that a louder intake always means a healthier engine. They win for a more important reason. They're built around the original engineering of the vehicle. Motorcraft. Start with Ford. For decades, Ford has sold vehicles that live hard lives. F-150s that tow campers and trailers, Super Duty trucks that work construction sites, Explorers and Expeditions that carry families through snow, heat, and road trips, Mustangs that owners modify, maintain, and keep long after the first payment book is gone. In that world, Motorcraft is the safe, long-term choice. Motorcraft is Ford's service parts brand, and Ford describes Motorcraft parts as delivering the original equipment fit and function needed for Ford and Lincoln models. Ford's own support page says Motorcraft air filters are factory-approved replacement parts specifically made for the vehicle, with more than 98% efficiency in stopping dust, treated filter material, leak-proof polyurethane seals, resistance to extreme temperature, and application-specific construction rather than a one-size-fits-all design. That language matters because an engine air filter is not judged only by the paper or synthetic media in the middle. The frame matters, the seal matters, the depth of the pleats matters, the way it sits in the airbox matters. A filter can look almost right and still be wrong. On many modern Ford engines, especially EcoBoost engines, the intake system depends on clean, measured airflow. The mass airflow sensor, turbocharger plumbing, throttle body, and electronic control system all rely on the assumption that air is entering through the filter and not sneaking around it. A cheap filter with a weak edge seal may still sit in the box, but it can allow unfiltered air to bypass the media. That's the kind of failure that does not announce itself immediately. The truck still starts, the engine still pulls, the dashboard may stay quiet for months. Then the mass airflow sensor gets dirty, the throttle response changes, the idle gets rough, or the owner starts chasing problems that began with a $10 shortcut. Motorcraft works because it removes guesswork. For an F-150, Explorer, Escape, Expedition, Bronco, Mustang, Ranger, or Super Duty, the best first question is simple. What did Ford design the airbox around? In most stock applications, the answer points back to Motorcraft. That does not mean every aftermarket filter is bad. Some are excellent, but the buy-it-for-life mindset is about reducing risk across years of ownership. When the truck is stock, the intake is stock, and the owner wants reliability more than a louder induction sound, Motorcraft is the most conservative and sensible answer. There's also the matter of availability. Ford vehicles are everywhere in America. Parts stores, dealerships, online catalogs, independent shops, fleet maintenance departments, and rural repair garages all understand Motorcraft. That matters when the vehicle is 10 or 15 years old. A long-term truck does not need a filter brand that was popular for one product cycle. It needs a part number that people can still find. Motorcraft is especially convincing for owners who keep vehicles beyond 100,000 miles. At that point, the air filter becomes part of a larger preservation strategy. Keep dirt out of the engine, keep the sensors clean, keep the factory airbox sealing correctly, keep the maintenance predictable. That is not exciting, but it is how vehicles last. ACDelco. The second brand is ACDelco, and for General Motors vehicles, it is the obvious backbone of the list. Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick cover a huge range of American driving. Silverado and Sierra trucks, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, and Escalade SUVs, Colorado and Canyon midsize pickups, Camaros and Corvettes, older Impalas, Malibus, Trailblazers, and work vans. Many of these vehicles stay in service for a long time, especially GM trucks and SUVs with V8s. ACDelco has a strong claim because it's tied directly to GM's original equipment and service ecosystem. GM Parts says its original equipment engine air filters from GM Genuine Parts and ACDelco are designed, engineered, and tested by General Motors. The same official source says ACDelco Gold engine air filters are premium alternatives to original equipment parts, and GM's OE filters are equipped with seals to help keep unfiltered air from entering the combustion chamber. That last point is the center of the whole story. The seal is where cheap filters often show their true quality. A filter media can look clean and dense, but if the rubber edge is flimsy, too narrow, distorted, or poorly molded, the engine may pull air around the filter. In normal driving, that can mean dust exposure. In dirt road driving, farm use, towing, construction work, or desert conditions, that can become a serious long-term risk. GM engines are often praised for durability, but durability comes from systems working together. A 5.3-liter V8, a 6.2-liter V8, a 3.6-liter V6, a 2.7-liter turbo truck engine, or a Duramax diesel still depends on clean intake air. The more expensive and complex the engine becomes, the less sense it makes to gamble on an unknown filter. ACDelco also covers two useful lanes. For many owners, ACDelco GM original equipment is the cleanest choice because it follows the exact factory logic. For owners who want a strong replacement part with GM-backed expertise, ACDelco Gold can make sense where available. The important point is that the brand structure is clear. You know where it sits in the GM parts world. You know it was made to serve GM vehicles rather than merely fit them. That difference becomes important with older American vehicles. A truck owner may keep a Silverado for work after buying a newer family car. A Tahoe may become the second vehicle for road trips. A Suburban may stay in the household because nothing else carries people and cargo in the same way. These are vehicles that collect years, miles, and environmental abuse. Their owners do not need a filter that feels clever. They need one that fits every time. ACDelco's strongest argument is trust through boring consistency. It doesn't need to promise that a paper filter will turn a stock Silverado into a performance build. It simply needs to protect the intake system, preserve factory airflow expectations, and remain available through the long middle age of the vehicle. For GM owners, that's exactly the kind of air filter that still lasts. Mopar. The third brand is Mopar. Mopar covers the Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram world, which may be the harshest test for an air filter. These vehicles are often used in conditions that punish intake systems. Ram trucks tow and haul. Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators go off-road. Dodge Chargers and Challengers see performance use. Durangos and Grand Cherokees carry families through weather, traffic, and long-distance driving. Chrysler minivans spend years in daily service. Mopar is the original equipment provider for Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Fiat brand vehicles. And Mopar says its genuine parts and accessories are designed, engineered, and tested specifically for those vehicles. Mopar also says its parts are engineered by the same teams that design and engineer the vehicles, with testing to meet OEM standards. For this list, Mopar earns its place because these vehicles are often exposed to the exact situations where filter quality matters most. Take a Wrangler on a dusty trail and the air filter becomes a frontline defense. Take a Ram through a job site and the filter sees dust before the tires are even clean. Use a Charger or Challenger in hot weather and the intake system needs stable, predictable airflow. Use a Grand Cherokee year after year as a family vehicle, and the owner needs parts that do not turn basic maintenance into a guessing game. Mopar's own air filter guide says the engine air filter protects the engine by preventing dirt, dust, and debris from entering the combustion chamber. It also says a clean Mopar engine air filter helps maintain fuel efficiency, horsepower, acceleration, and engine component protection. The same guide advises checking the filter at each oil change and replacing more often under dusty, rural, off-road, or construction zone driving. That is a very practical way to think about Mopar filters. They are not magic, they are maintenance parts. Their value comes from matching the airbox, sealing correctly, and supporting the vehicle's intended operation. Mopar is especially important for Ram and Jeep owners because many of these vehicles are modified. Lift kits, tires, snorkels, aftermarket intakes, tuned engines, and off-road accessories can change how people think about airflow. In that world, owners sometimes confuse more air with better filtration. Those two things have to be balanced carefully. An engine needs air, but it needs clean air more than it needs marketing noise. For a stock Jeep, Ram, Dodge, or Chrysler, Mopar remains the most defensible default. The filter was made for the factory intake. The part number can be verified through Mopar's official channels. Mopar advises using authorized dealerships and matching part numbers and packaging to avoid questionable filters from unaffiliated sellers. That counterfeit and wrong part issue matters more than people think. Air filters are easy to copy visually. A box can look professional. A listing can claim compatibility. A low price can feel like a bargain. The danger appears after installation, when the filter sits slightly wrong, the edge does not compress correctly, or the material loads too fast. Mopar earns its position because it protects owners from that uncertainty. Why the flashy, reusable filters miss this list? This is where many people expect to hear K&N. K&N is a real brand with a long history, and its reusable filters have a strong ownership argument. K&N says its engine air filters have a lifetime limited warranty, and its FAQ says typical drop-in replacement high-flow air filters usually require servicing around every 50,000 miles under normal highway driving conditions. For the right owner, that may make sense. A washable filter can reduce waste. It can be kept for years. It can support a performance-oriented build. It can be the correct choice for someone who understands cleaning, drying, oiling, and maintenance. But for this particular list, the standard is different. This is about the safest long-term filter choice for American vehicles used as daily drivers, work trucks, family SUVs, and long-term keepers. In that world, the best filter is the one that preserves the factory system with the least drama. A reusable oiled filter adds a maintenance process. Clean it incorrectly, oil it incorrectly, install it before it's ready, or ignore it too long, and the advantage starts to shrink. The average owner does not need another maintenance ritual. The average owner needs a filter that drops into the factory airbox, seals properly, performs predictably, and gets replaced on schedule. That is why Motorcraft, ACDelco, and Mopar remain the core buy-it-for-life choices for American vehicles. The individual filter is disposable. The brand choice is the long-term decision. What makes an air filter last in the real world? A durable air filter brand is not judged by how long one filter stays in the vehicle. A clogged filter that has survived too many miles is not a success story. It is a neglected maintenance item. A good air filter brand lasts because it keeps delivering the same essential things over and over. The first is fit. Fit is everything. The filter has to sit flat. The box has to close without forcing it. The gasket has to compress evenly. The shape has to match the airbox. A filter that leaves a gap can be worse than an old filter that is dirty but sealed. The second is filtration capacity. A cheap filter may look acceptable when new, but it may load quickly, deform with heat and moisture, or lose efficiency during the service interval. Motorcraft specifically points to treated filter material, application-specific design, leak-proof polyurethane seals, and dust-stopping efficiency above 98% for its air filters. The third is availability. This is where OEM brands have a major advantage. American vehicles remain on the road for a long time, and owners need filters that can still be sourced after the model has aged. Motorcraft, ACDelco, and Mopar are deeply tied to dealer networks, online parts catalogs, and national distribution. The fourth is clarity. When you buy the correct OEM or OEM-backed filter, the part number has a purpose. It was chosen for that vehicle. This reduces the risk of buying a filter that technically fits a broad category while failing the details that matter. That clarity is worth money. The hidden cost of cheap filters. The cheapest air filter is rarely expensive enough to feel dangerous. That is the trap. An owner may save $10 or $15 at the parts counter. The stock starts, the car drives, nothing feels wrong. A year later, the engine feels a little softer, the idle acts up, the sensor readings drift, or the intake tube has dust residue where it should not. At that point, the savings are gone. Modern engines are less forgiving than older ones in some ways. The computers are smarter, but the sensors are more important. Turbocharged engines move large amounts of air under pressure. Direct injected engines already deal with intake side contamination concerns. Diesel trucks operate under serious airflow demands. A poor filter choice can create problems that are hard to trace back to the original decision. There is also a common myth that needs to be handled carefully. Many people say a dirty air filter always ruins gas mileage. On older carbureted engines, that idea has more truth. On modern, fuel-injected engines, the picture is more complex. Research from Oak Ridge National Laboratory found that clogged filters had no significant fuel economy effect on newer fuel-injected gasoline vehicles in the study, although performance suffered. For older carbureted vehicles, fuel economy did decrease as restriction increased.